welcome back. So we will discuss control structure if else. So last time we discussed if structure. Okay, so today we will discuss the if else statement. If else, then statement. Okay. So if the condition is true, it will execute the statement 1. So if the condition is true, statement 1 is executed. If false, statement 2 is executed. And after that, the program continues right after this conditional structure. Okay, so if you will apply this from our previous program, so input a number, then cin x, the variable, then if the input variable is greater than 100, see out your number is greater than 100, else see out so we have to copy this. Your number x is less than 100. So try to execute sample 300. So your number 300 is greater than 100. Another one. Execute, compile. So how about 57? So the output is your number 57 is less than 100. Okay, next. How about if you input 100? Okay. So how about if you will input 100? So what do you think is the output? Is it less than 100? Is it greater than 100? So let's try. Enter. So your number is, or your number 100 is less than 100. Is that true? No. So we have to edit the program to check if your input number sample is 100. If 100 is greater than 100, the value is false. So it will jump to else and display your number 100 is less than 100. So how about this one? So we have to include okay. If x is greater than or equal to 100, if that is true, see out now, your number is greater than, or your number 100 is greater than 100. So we have to edit this. So your number 100 is equal or greater than 100. So let's try. Execute, compile, then 100. Your number 100 is equal or greater than 100. Okay, so that's it for if else.